How's it going, guys? Welcome again to my channel. In this video, we're going to be focusing on the markup for the login form. Where we last left off in the previous video, we were doing the landing page of our app. So today it's going to be the markup on styling for our login form, and we're also going to configure that button over there to go to our login form page. So we're going to be using the landing page markup as a skeleton. The only thing we'll be changing is this fake wrapper text over here. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a login form page, and then I'm going to copy everything that we did in here and paste it within here, within the login form page. I'm also going to change the title to login. Okay, so the other thing I need to do is also create a separate, well, actually, no, I'm not going to do that. In this video, I'm going to be utilizing a lot of Bootstrap to do the styling and markup for the login form. This is just so also to what you call it, save some time in terms of the length of videos and so forth. So what I'll do now is I'm gonna delete everything that we see there. Then I'm just gonna create a Bootstrap card. All right, and then I'll add a Bootstrap card class over there, and that's it. And then the other thing is I'm going to be adding a card body within the card there. Okay, so then I'll add another card, a Bootstrap card class over there. Then the next thing is the card title. Then for that I'll say cards. Yeah. And then I'm going to add a font awesome icon over there, which is going to give us a little bit of a humanoid or whatever they call it. Then here I'll say, and then the other thing is, which is another Bootstrap, I'm gonna make this card span about 3 columns, and by that I'm gonna give it a Bootstrap class as follows. Four, sorry, 3 columns. Okay. Before we continue, let's just see how it looks. By the way, I want to modify um, this button over here, our login button over here, to go to the login page. Okay, so if I click there, all right. So now I need to move this particular card over here 250 pixels to the right. So what I'll do is within here I'm going to give it an ID. of which what I'll do within here is margin left will be 250 pixels. If you check it out, there's our Bootstrap card over there. I also want to center this sign in tag over there. So here within the card text, I'll say center. Let's check one last time. Okay. So all right. So now we're gonna add the form elements. So what I'm gonna do, okay, and I'll just say form. Okay. So now I'm gonna add some other Bootstrap classes here, which is going to align all of the elements that are gonna go within the form. So I'll start off by saying then I'm gonna add a label, which is going to be email, and then I'm gonna add an input field, which is going to be text. It's going to be email. Actually, this is also supposed to be email. Right. So I'm gonna just copy this and then just paste it there. So this is gonna be the password. This is also gonna be password, and then that also is password. Okay. Before we continue, let's just see how it actually looks at the moment. Okay, I forgot to add some Bootstrap classes to our input tags. So what I'll do is over there, I'll just say class. Um, Copy that there and paste it there. All right, let's check it again. All right, so that's our input fields. Now we're gonna add the login button here at the bottom. Okay, so what I'll do is I'm gonna copy this again. And let me just say, change that to submit from control. Name is submit, and actually no. Let me remove this. Let me just add a button. I'll explain later as to why I'm doing this. So login, and then class is going to be login, no, submit, and then just add some Bootstrap classes there. All right, so now by the way, the button is also going to take up the same look and feel as the login button at the top, and actually we have to change this as well. So what I need to do is here within the login form, I'm going to change this to uh, back to home, and the href will be index.html, and then what I'll do is I'll take that over there, and then just, by the way, it's going to take the same color. Like I said, it's going to take the same look and feel as the other buttons. So I'm going to copy that there and then just paste it here. Now let's check it out now. Okay, so there it is. The only thing now that's left to add on to the form is the form footer. And in fact, I also want to add a box shadow to it. Let's just say 2 or 1 px, 1 px, 7 px, and then I'll say gray. Now, you know what? I'm gonna remove that. I don't like the way it looks. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is add a footer to the login form. So over here, I'll say okay. So within here, oh, by the way, I need to say text center. Um, this will be, let me do this. Let me give it an H5 tag. Then I'll say card text. And then I'll just say and then okay, let's just see how it looks. Okay, that's a bit too, that's a bit too big. Uh, all right. So the other thing I want to do is move the padding of the text. I mean the card. Sorry, px 0. Okay, and then I'll say P, and maybe let's say about 15 words. All right, I'm gonna do the same thing here. I'm gonna say text muted. All right, so now I just want to change the font size of both these two elements over here. So within the main.css, I'll say card footer. Actually, let me give it a different. Let me give it a different. You know what? I think no, yeah. Let me give it a different ID. So I'll just say um, for the H5 tag, I'm just gonna decrease it to about let's say 20 px. Let's see, still the same. Oh, sorry, nah, still too big. That's fine. And then now I'm gonna target the P tag, and I'll change it to about 12 px. I think that should be fine. All right, so yeah, man, that's our login form. I'm gonna leave it as is for now because there will be some modifications done once we move over to Spring. I mean to IntelliJ, because we're gonna be using some JSTL tags over there. But for now, they should be fine for our login form. The user will be using an email to log into the system, etc. All right, so yeah, that's basically it for the login form. By the way, let me just test this button. Okay, yeah. All right, so yeah, that's it for the login form. Again, guys, thanks again for watching, and again, I appreciate any support that you give me, and please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you within the next video. Cheers for now.